This is a Trane XB13 central air conditioner running from June of 2007. This is a 4 nominal ton with R22 refrigerant. I think this has the climate tough reciprocating compressor. Kind of hard to tell with the condenser running. Yeah, there's 3 temp stars over there. This house is for sale, so it's not in use right now. And that is someone's private property, so I'm not really going to go over there. Yeah, there's another Trane XB13 over here around the corner. It's right behind those bushes right there. Not running. There it is. This is from July of 07. This would appear to be a 2.5 ton straight cool unit. Also with R22 refrigerant. That one has the climate tough reciprocating compressor. So yeah, a couple of 13 SEER Trane XB series straight cool air conditioners. One of which was running. Well, this one probably, yeah, this one has been running. Not very sweaty, but slightly cool. There's the disconnect box right there. And there's the gas meter. This one has the spine thin coils, as does the other one, and the standard fan blades. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.